If you've got debt, but at the same time you are trying to make provision for freedom, for retirement planning, then I know for a fact that you are in a state of confoculation. Confoculation is when you do not know that you don't know what you're supposed to know. The reason why you're in this state is because no financial advisor or planner is going to tell you the truth. So my job here today is to show you why that is a state of confoculation and how I know that you're in a state of confoculation. I'm going to take you through the process that I've discovered way back in 1987. So in 1987, I realized I'm working against myself. I'm not going to get out of this trap that the financial system has set me. Their job is for you to stay in the system so that they can milk you till retirement and after retirement. Remember, at that stage, I was a financial planner. So I could see that in my situation, I could not get out. So how can I prove this to you? Very easy. We're going to use a plain Excel spreadsheet. And then I'm going to guide you through the process and show you why most people work really hard, but they never get out of that rat race. Okay, so I'm going to make it simple. We're going to say that you've got a debt. Let's call it credit card. Now, most people have got a credit card and they use like a revolving credit. In other words, they keep their credit card more or less at the limit. But we're going to make the assumption that you are a very disciplined person. You start off with 100,000 Rand. Now, some of you are going to say honest, but you are crazy. This is just to show you the effect. Because if it works for this, then we can scale it down. It will always work if you've got debt, and it can be all debts. There are different ways. I've got a fabulous little tool that I can give you in terms of the debt eradication system that we are using that is phenomenal. And by the way, if you want that, in the comment section, just say debt, right? We'll send it to you free of charge. Because the majority of people, because of this that I'm going to show you, do not know that they don't know what they're supposed to know. So here you've got 100,000 at 21% over 20 years. And if we look at Excel, you're simply going to see, when we look at the formula, there's the formula, right? Now, on the other hand, you've got 1,000 Rand per month that you are investing. I'm just using 1,000 Rand to make it fun. At 8% average unit trust over 20 years, how much money will you have in 20 years' time? You're going to have 589,020 rands. Okay, and there again is the formula. I'd like to show you the formula so that you know that we are not trying to jipper this thing. Let's compare this and let's see what's going to happen in 20 years' time. Remember, in 20 years' time, exactly your debt, let's call it this, your conventional method, your credit card will be paid in full, but you'll also have then the money available, the 1,000 Rand. So what is the total cost on the servicing of that debt? We take 1,777 Rands, there's the formula then again, times 12, times 20 years, that gives you 426,000 Rand. We do exactly the same thing with 1,000 Rand. In other words, that 1,000 Rand times 12, times 20 years is going to cost you 240,000 Rand. But luckily you're going to get almost 600,000 Rand back, so it makes sense. But let's look at what do you spend per month and what is the total cost and income that you're going to get. So the total cost, if we combine the 426,000 with the 240,000, is 666,000. What are you going to get out? You're going to get out 589,020 Rands and 42 cents. So in the process, without you knowing, if you follow this idea, I need to pay off my debt here, and here I need to get my growth. You separate the two. If you did that, over that period, in terms of the amount of money that it has cost you to get to 889,000 Rand, you've lost 77,000 Rand in the process. In other words, it has cost you 666,000 Rand to clear your debt and to create 589,000 Rand, which means there's a loss of 77. This means after 20 years, based on this, you are in a losing situation. In other words, all that money that you've spent, the 1,777 plus the 1,000 Rand, is gone into the system because this is the way that they want you to think. So let me show you, based on this, an alternative. What is an alternative? There's actually more than one alternative. The first alternative is, why don't we take the 1,000 rand plus the 1,770 and we pay your debt first? How long is it going to take to pay off that debt? And again, there's the formulas for those of you that wants to know. It's going to take you 57 months in order to pay it. Now what you do, you take the full amount that you've spent on the debt as well as on the 1,000 rand. You combine that, that is 2,777 rand and 64 cents, right? To do that. But now you take that money, the full amount. So you pay off your debt first, and now you start investing again in exactly the same unit trust that you have invested today, but you wait for 57 months before you do it. Now your debt is cleared. Plus, you've got the 1,777 rands from the debt repayments. Because the net effect is going to be exactly the same, the amount of money that you've spent. But what is the outcome? If we invest in unit trust at 8% for 182 months, that is 240 months minus the 57, you'll have 985,000 rand. The cost is going to stay the same, exactly the same. But you are better off just by doing this small little change, mindset, perception, and not try to cater for that and that. You focus on one thing, get that done, focus on the second thing, right? You've got 319,000 rand versus minus 77,000 rand. Can you see? It's a total different outcome. But it's just the way that we think. So on the first case, we're in a state of confoculation. Now we're busy to unconfoculate us. And by doing that, we are sitting with 319,000 rand. Now, it's not going to save the thing. Now, this is based on what we call expert-based investing. Expert tells you, do this or don't do that. They don't always show you the outcome, but you are getting the drift. Someone has advised you to do something. What if you learn a skill, you become a wealth creator? Let's redo this whole thing, but this time we say, okay, you know how to get that growth. It's a skill, and all skills must be learned, and it's very simple to do it, especially on the property. Maybe attend my Property Accelerator Masterclass, and it's for free, and I'll show you how it works and how it is possible to get the kind of growth that I'm going to show you. Right. Now, if you invest, just like in this scenario, you pay off your debt first, right? Now I've got 182 months to invest. You do the investment through the Wealth Creators method. In other words, your IGR, your investment growth that you get, because you know how to invest, right? Which is a very powerful skill to have and very quickly to learn, especially in property. Let's assume you can get 40% growth for the remainder for that 182 months, right? Remember, you take the full 2,777 rand, you'll have 33 million. 33 million because you know how to do it yourself versus relying on someone else, hoping and praying that you're going to get 319,000. Same way, just different growth. Because what no one tells you, it's a growth on your investment, taking risk into consideration. That is what's going to make you rich. But the moment that you give your money to someone else, you are at risk. Right. Risk is when you do not know or do not understand what you're doing. And because people are in a state of confoculation, this is why they're not getting ahead in life and they don't know how to get that 40%. But now, let's do something else. Because of this growth that you're going to get, you take your debt, you keep on paying your debt, the 1,700 rands. So in 20 years' time, the debt will be paid. But you learn how to invest and you take the 1,000 rand instead of paying your debt because the growth is bigger. And you invest that in yourself through the Wealth Creators method. What will the outcome be? The same strategy. So in 20 years' time, your debt is paid in full, but the 1,000 rand compounded at 40% over 20 years is 78 million rand. Now, there's a little bit of confusion because what about inflation? I personally do not understand what I can do with 78,000 rand in 20 years' time. But what I do know is what I can do with 24 million today. So if the inflation rate is 6%, we discount that, we bring it, devalue the money, and it's the equivalent of 24 million today. Now, I guarantee you, that most South Africans, if they understand the Wealth Creators Method, will be able to retire with 24 million rand. And it hasn't cost you a cent more than just by understanding. In other words, you unconfocate yourself, you go through the training, you understand what it is that the system is doing in order to keep you enslaved to the system. There's not a single person that I know that is working, that has got debt as well as savings, that cannot retire in far less than 20 years' time with a lot more money than what they ever expect. Maybe if you write in the comment section, say, Financial Freedom Planner. I'll give you my Financial Freedom Planner that I've used based on property in order to show you how many years ago in 1987, I was 30 years of age at that stage, how I did my own planning as a financial planner, but not the conventional way, the Wealth Creators Method based on property, right? And what the outcome of that was. I'll give you another tool, and that is the debt eradication tool, to show you within your budget, without spending a cent more than what you're spending at the moment, you can be debt-free and financially free in a very, very short time. You're going to save yourself 10 times more money than any other method that I know. And on top of that, without spending additional money, just using what you've got, you'll be able to retire very comfortably in 15 to 20 years' time, sometimes even a lot less than 15 years. Say just a date in the comment section, and we'll send you that. And then a third tool that I'd like to give you is how I've discovered this, that there is no ways. I see the financial industry is using, you have to earn 25 times your yearly income and you'll be financially free. You can immediately retire. My friend, it's the biggest hoax there is. It's going to depend on the inflation rate. It's going to depend on the growth that you're going to get. But this is the norm. Now, how many of you do have 25 times your yearly income? How many do you think, if we index this with inflation, in 5 years, 10 years' time, will have that amount? How much do you think it's going to cost you? I can show you if you want and you're open to learn. But you have to learn. So if you're interested, let us know. Learn. That's maybe another thing. You just say learn. I'll send you that, and then you can see that for yourself. Thanks for your time. I'll see you there.